Like most entrepreneurs, Ingvar Kamprad's vision started with a spark, lots of them. In 1931, the 5-year-old began selling matches, an essential item in every home. But this was the Great Depression. Poverty was widespread, people queued for food, for jobs, for everything. Everyone, children included, were told to waste nothing, not even time. In the Swedish province of Småland, where Ingvar lived, the stony land produced poor crops. Farming wasn't enough to survive. So how did a boy from the Swedish countryside become a teenage founder of a global enterprise? This is the story of Ikea.